cathedral at Chartres is spectacular. This is a smaller, less fancy church, and I'm pretty much in awe. From my Arc en Lorrois video that I'm loving the older, potentially more humble churches. Although look at that altar. Not much humble there. We're here because the sisters of an order who are in charge of the Black Madonna are preparing the Black Madonna for the parade tomorrow for the Assumption of Mary. I scanned over her a moment ago, but I wanted to pay extra attention to Jeanne d'Arc, Joan of Arc, here in the Catholic Church. The noises that you're hearing are the sisters working on the altar. I'm not sure what they're banging. That is the Black Madonna right there. I would probably need people from my mother's family to explain this to me, but these are little pews outside the main sanctuary where most people sit, with a door that closes. I think I might have to sit in one. Now where does this door go? The little pews are right behind these seats, which would they be for the choir or the nobles or the monks and the nuns? Here I am sitting in the small pew. I can still see the altar. It's about my eye level. And finally, I'm close to one of these huge pillars that show the wear and tear of age. They look like they're draped in fabric. Oh, I'm here as part of my PhD program in wisdom studies. And although I'm a spiritual person, I feel long distance from my Catholic upbringing. And I'm just learning this week about this pilgrimage on the Assumption of Mary, the day, August 15th. There'll be a big parade tomorrow, and I'll tell you more. This is Alane, Freund with your HSP travel vlog. Thanks for tuning in.